Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub, and today I'll be showing you guys how to you know unlock a password protected PDF. So if you have a PDF and you've forgotten the password, then you're at the right place. Yeah, so in here I have a PDF in here which is password protected and I have forgotten it. So open your browser, whether you're using a PC or mobile, and visit this website. So visit this website, visit this website, visit this website, then select the all PDF tools. So when you move your cursor to it or you select it, there will be a drop down menu, and in here, drop down menu in here, select unlock PDF, unlock PDF, unlock PDF. So you tap on the unlock PDF, and in here you will upload the file that you want to unlock the PDF, unlock PDF. So in here you upload the file that is password protected. So in here this is the file. Okay, so after you've uploaded the file, you realize in here there's a lock on it, meaning the PDF is password protected. So you just tap on the unlock PDF and wait patiently as the job is being done. So PDF has been unlocked successfully. Now let's download the unlock PDF. Okay, so it has been successfully downloaded. Yeah, so realizing here the password has been removed successfully. So if you have a PDF and you've forgotten the password of your password protected PDF, then that's how easy and simple it is to unlock a PDF. Yeah, so if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and also give a sweet comment. Okay, so see you in the next video.